Hey, welcome to what the...
Come on.
All right. Hey, welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. My name's Mike Kerwitz. I'm the strategic sales manager here at Dow Technology. This is a show where we open up the latest and greatest new products out. Today, with me, I have
Jason McCarty. I'm the account manager for Louisiana and Mississippi.
And today we're going to show you guys some new products from Sony. They were gracious enough to give us one of these products to raffle off to one of you guys. What do they got to do, Jason?
Well, they have to like and subscribe, and they have to make a comment with their dealer number in the comment section below.
Yeah, so if this is your first time seeing the show, again, we open this up, show you what it is, and give it away to you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, that way you see all the upcoming videos. And yes, we do give this products away. If you've been here before, you kind of know the drill, but make sure you do like. It definitely helps us out. It helps us to support Dow Technologies, helps us to support the vendors that donate the products so that we can keep on doing videos on it. So first, just going to talk a little bit about the packaging, which definitely looks very sharp. You can tell it's a little bit higher grade quality packaging versus the standard Sony packaging. It's kind of like a wax feel. The gray has like a metallic, and the yellow, it looks pretty sharp. What do you think, Jason?
I think it's fantastic. It looks like it has a little bit of a plastic coating, and it even has a little template on there too.
For the installers, right?
High gloss pictures. That's really gonna look nice on some shelves.
Let's see. Let's open it up and see what we got here. So I'll hand them to you. Let us know what they are. Oh, look at that. So, what do we have here? What's that?
Oh. Owner's record, otherwise known as installer format.
What do we got here? You might want to talk a little bit about that.
Limited warranty. This is important, guys. This is a 3-year warranty for ES products in the US as long as you bought them from an authorized retailer. And you cannot buy them online except for one place. Put the guess in the comments. We'll see which one of you is close.
Let's see, what else we got here? We got a couple other things.
So, what we have: instruction manual, basic dimensions, you know, your standard instructions, 44 languages, blah, blah, blah.
Put in the comments if you actually read the instructions or you just throw that stuff in the trash. We'd like to know. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got some...
Oh, screws. Leave them in there. We'll never get them back.
Probably not.
8 screws. Make them easier. Ziploc bag.
These things are in there good.
Come on, man. Break these things out.
Oh, first initial look, they definitely look awesome. They definitely look a little bit step above some of the other Sony products you see.
So...
they look special and they look a little bit more unique, so...
this is a really nice looking grill, plain, but still classy looking. It has that nice charcoal metallic color. Ooh, look at that. That's that aramid fiber cone, lightweight, really strong. It's got a notched surround. Ooh, actually has, and it's hard to see, I don't know how I can get that to you, but it's an integrated heat sink on the tweeter to help dissipate heat from high power applications. And one thing you can notice, this is really good for those installers, is that the tweeter won't protrude into the door panel to bulge it out and make it look tacky.
No, they definitely look clean. They look just good looking there. I mean, we opened up a lot of different speakers, and
270 watts.
Not any disservice to those, but these things actually look sexy. Look at that.
And it looks good. This
you know some of the specs on them?
Yeah, so preliminarily they said that they're going all high res. So these have a frequency response of 40 to 40,000 hertz, so they're high res capable. They do 270 watts max, 90 watts continuous. And one of the things that you can see about this basket and the venting, this is their, what they call their 5-beam air diffuser basket made out of like a composite material. So what it doesn't ring or have any kind of distortion. It helps absorb any of those. And one of the other benefits, they have a low profile supported and integrated speaker terminals right there. And this is huge. This is huge. Like low mounting depth, these are gonna sell.
So it's pretty neat is it's been about 30 years since Sony launched the Sony ES platform. and it stands for an elevated standard. It is the highest end of Sony on the car audio side, and it's still even today on the home side they use the ES brands for their top tier products. So we're very fortunate. We just got these in. They sent them to us so we can get out to one of you guys. Again, what do they got to do, Jason?
They have to like, subscribe, and make a comment with your dealer number in there. If you do not know your dealer number, call me. I'll help you out.
Yeah, just some way for we to identify you. And if you have any questions about this, please reach out to your Dial account manager. We'd be more than happy to help you. And we also want to just thank the guys over at Sony for being able to get us some of the first pairs out there to give away to you guys. And we really look forward to selling these and getting them into the retail shops. And we can't wait to see you guys install some of them.
They really package these right. I mean, these aren't like any other coax. Just pull them out of the styrofoam, half broken. These things look like these are something you would go into like a boutique and buy. Like, these are nice. I'm excited.
Yep. All right, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
See you.